Opportunity to me, and I especially want to thank God for everything He has done in my life. As Mommy mentioned, that for the past 2 weeks I've been applying to colleges, and the first college that I applied to was to Rutgers, so I could stay close to home and see my parents weekly or so. And I thank God for answering my prayers within a week, because I got into Rutgers after 4 or 5 days I applied into an honors program. And I thank God for everything He has done for me, even though I'm not worthy of anything. And I thank God for blessing me abundantly. And in order to praise Him, I want to sing a song called Najeev the Kalamanta. Najeev